Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 6 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. The heart blank the ocean was a famous diamond. A. Like. B. Of. C. Against. Correct answer, of, to show belonging or connection. The ship looked blank a floating palace. A. Of. B. Like. C. During. Correct answer, like, to show similarity. The ship crashed blank the iceberg. A. Toward. B. Against. C. During. Correct answer, against, to show contact or opposition. Many people slept blank the first night of the voyage. A. Against. B. During. C. Toward. Correct answer, during, to show a period of time. They ran blank the front of the ship. A. During. B. Against. C. Toward. Correct answer, toward, to show movement. Like, comment and subscribe.